Alright, part 2 of this video. Finally got it all installed. As you see, clamped here, got the pipe running into here. Just remember you get the 19mm sprinkler connection. That helps connect this into this quite firm, it's good. Actually I had to put a bit of insulin tape around the joint because it just was not tight enough, so I added a wee bit in, run the pipe in here through here to get to this angle here for the PVC, and that's connected in well. As you can see, this is oil residue. It sits in, it's fucking a lot, man. Spoke to a VAG mechanic, he works in Audis all the time, he says pretty normal. But let's see if this oil catcher works and then it reduces all that oil and getting into the intake. These are it's normal for these cars to go through quite a bit of oil to a normal standard car. There's a supercharger, turbo. It's a fast wee fucker, definitely moves. So back to this. Connecting this pipe onto these, they weren't really that tight, so I had a bit of pipe lying around. It's a smaller part, and if I can show you, this is something similar to what screws into the oil catcher tank. What I did was just cut a little bit here. And oh shit, it's not going to happen with one hand. And I put it over this flange here, that section there, and then I put the pipe over that and then clamped it, and that just makes that nice and tight, because the pipe was too big for this. So a bit of pipe inside the pipe. And just remember guys, anytime you're struggling with pipe and it's not going on because it's just a little bit too small, heat it up for lighter, blowtorch, just don't burn the shit out of it. Heat it up and that softens it, and then it should slide on nice and tight, but they're on super tight. And I'm going to fix this permanently in place, and we'll see how it runs. I'm going to clean out this oil in here, and in fact, let's just see. We'll start her up and see if this gas works its way through, and yeah, I can feel it coming through. It's not as strong coming from here straight into there, because it's only a little bit of pipe. It's got to travel all the way through and here, back out. So the gas, I can feel the gas isn't as strong as it was there, which is good, which means the oil's not going to make its way in there like it should. Still got that one connected into the air, but that's fine. And yeah, we'll see how that runs. Anyway guys, I'm going to drop a link for this, and yeah, I hope this can help someone installing one of these. And as I say, I'm not a full-time mechanic, just a driveway mechanic. And yeah, see you next video. Cheers guys.